Yo, what's up guys, Infinite Skills here, and today I'll be showing you how to send videos from your phone, like via email or any application, without losing quality and keeping it the same quality as the original video. Now I'm just going to show you here how I ran into the issue a little while ago, where you will attach a video onto a Gmail email and the quality will drop significantly when you send it. I'll just send it to myself and show you what it looks like. See, when I open it up here, the video is like significant drop in quality. So I'll be showing you how to send the video without that happening. So what you're going to want to do is go into the App Store, or if you're on a Samsung, Google Play Store, and download an app called Dropbox. You're then going to want to open that up, and I think it will get you to make an account. I can't remember, but I think you'll have to sign up or log in. You are then going to want to select the plus button at the bottom of your screen that says Create, and then hit Upload Photos. Now, even though it just says photos, you will be able to select videos. So I'm just going to choose this video here. Select it. You can select multiple at a time as well, and then hit Next in the top right corner. You are then going to want to select Upload, again in the top right corner, and then go across to Home in the bottom left corner of your screen. You can then watch the file upload, and depending on how long the video is will depend on how long it takes to upload. And then you back out of Home and you can see the most recently saved video is here. And straight away you can see there is no difference in the quality of the original video. What you're going to want to do then is press the button next to the share button, and that will create a link. And you are going to come across a screen like this, and you just want to select Copy Link. You are then going to want to back out and then go into the email or application, whatever you were going to send via whatever. I'm just going to show it through Gmail because that's what I mostly use. And I'll just put the subject in. Better follow that. And then copy and paste that link into the email. Now I'm just going to send that email to myself to prove that it works. And all the person that receives the email, all they have to do is select that link and the video will stay high quality. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, make sure to smash a like and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it. Also, comment below if you have any issues with this, or what tutorial you want to see in the future. Also, check out my recent montage with DreadClan. That'll be on the screen now. But I'll see you next time, guys. Goodbye.